Good morning, guys. Welcome to Creo Labs. This is tutorial 3. In this, we will see the next commands which are in Creo, in Sketch actually. So, next is arc. There are again 5 types of arc: 3 point, center and ends, 3 tangent, concentric, conic. So, 3 point arc is actually like this. They are like small position. Center and ends, like now this is cool, right? Looks pretty cool. Next one is 3 tangent. I think we need to draw a circle first. I don't know. Not like this. Yeah, 2 circles. Next one is concentric arc about any point. This can be used to make a puzzle actually, like exit start point, but no need now. And last one is conic. And like it's a cone shape generating from 2 points selected like this. Right? So now we will skip next into ellipse. Ellipse. Yes. Yes, like this. Now we can change the dimensions. There are only 2 dimensions. Deselecting dimension option. It's center distance and the length. Another one is center and axis ellipse. The distance is from center now, from both the sides. From this center to this point. Yeah, but it's not similar to circle. That's ellipse. We don't need that much in Creo. Circle command is enough for us. And another one is spline. You know what spline is. You must have seen it in Paint, Photoshop, or any other designing software. You can create waves, patterns, just generate whatever you want. You can also extend those points, I think, like this. Yeah, but we can make Nike logo with this line command. I will show you in the next upcoming video. Try to show you how to create Nike logo in Creo using spline command. Thank you for watching, guys.